Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lina for Lina's Beauty Affairs. So if you're just seeing my face for the first time, hi, you are highly welcome to this channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button shown on your screen, and don't forget to like this video. Okay guys, so today I want to make today's video really short, and I want to talk about something that I know that a lot of people are facing. How you can use your whitening, lightening, or your bleaching product without it causing harm to your skin, because you don't want to use a product that will give you serious green veins, make you red, make you have stretch marks, and all those unwanted things that most bleaching products do. Now the first thing for you to do is, when you want to purchase your whitening, lightening, or your bleaching product, try and be patient. Go and check the body of the cream or the lotion or the products that you want to buy. Check the pack, check the label, check the body for the ingredients that are written. Yes, I know that most brands don't write all the ingredients. They are not usually genuine when it comes to ingredients, but still try and check. Okay, there are some products that contain hydroquinol, and they will write quinol there instead of hydroquinol. If you see products like that, try and stay away from them. Now another thing you can do is try and stay away from products that have kojic acid. Please, kojic acid is not bad, but because of how people misuse creams, lotions, especially in Africa where the weather is so hot, kojic acid has a tendency of burning your skin, okay, especially if you don't use a sunscreen. And if you're not using a sunscreen by this time in 2022, you need skin, serious skin. Now, second thing you can do to avoid green veins, irritations, reactions from your lotion is mixing your lotion with Shenic stage 2 oil. Okay, yes, that oil is very good and effective. It's an anti-reaction, very good. In fact, some people actually sell this oil alone, and you can use the oil alone after you use your cream, but preferably just mix a little bit of your cream, a portion of it into your cream, and you'll be good to go. Another thing that you can do is take breaks. Like, please don't overdo anything. If you're using skin whitening products, they work, especially if you have a sensitive skin, or if the product is very harsh or effective. When you see that the products have started giving you your required shade, my dear brothers and sisters watching this video, please take a break. Stop. Okay, you can use it for 3 weeks, take a 1 week break and come back, or you can use it for 2 months, take a 1 month break and come back, depending on how often you go out in the sun. But preferably take a 1 week break after 3 weeks of using. Okay, now also another thing that you can do to prevent irritations from your cream is the use of shea butter. Everybody knows what shea butter is, but not everybody knows how powerful shea butter is. Shea butter is very ancient, and it has a lot of medicinal and skin benefits. Okay, now after you use your lotions and creams, you can apply a little bit of your shea butter on your skin after you applied your lotion. It's going to feel heavy, but you are going to be protecting your skin. But if you do not want to do that, what you can do is, after applying your lotion or your cream, avoid places that have tendency for stretch marks. Example is your lap. Okay, avoid your lap. You might not want to use the cream on your lap every time. Avoid your lap, avoid your hands here. Okay, that way you are going to be preventing, in some way you're going to be preventing stretch marks from coming out from those sides, and green veins also. And we've come to the end of this video actually. Now, to just crown everything that I've said, the best and most effective way to avoid skin reactions from all these products is for you to avoid the products totally. Okay, but if you know you cannot avoid the products, maybe you actually want to whiten up your skin, lighten up your skin, there is no harm in that. But you can actually mix Shenic oil and a little bit of shea butter into your lotion, and you will be fine. Okay, so I hope this video is informative to you, and if it is, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Okay, see you all in my next video.